we're going to look at matching things in an unequal fashion. In this example, we're going to use apples and oranges. And what we're going to do is we're going to match 2 apples for every 6 oranges. So let's record that. We have 2 apples, and we're going to match that with 6 oranges. Let's get another set of apples and oranges. So we're going to have a set of 2 apples and another set of 6 oranges. So now we have 2 sets of 2 apples and 6 oranges. We have one here and we have one here. But another way of looking at this is that we actually have a total of 4 apples and a total of 12 oranges. So what we're going to do over here on our mat is record the total. We're going to record the totals as they appear on our work mat. So now we first had a total of 2 apples and 6 oranges. We now have a total of 4 apples and 12 oranges. Let's do it again. We put another set of 2 apples and we put another set of 6 oranges. So now we have 3 sets of 2 apples and 6 oranges. We have one set here, one set here, and one set here. But over on our recording, let's record the total number of apples and the total number of oranges that we have. With the apples, we now have 6 apples, and those 6 apples match 6, 12, 18 oranges. So 6 apples match 18 oranges. Now let's look at a problem. What we want to do is we're going to develop a set of 14 apples, and we're going to find out how many oranges we need to be shared out unequally to match those 14 apples. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our set of 14 apples. We have 6 already. I add another 2, that gives us 8, and I can record the total number of apples there. I put another set of 2 apples, that gives us a total of 10 apples. I give another set of 2 apples, that gives us a total of 12 apples that I record in the totals. And finally, I get to my 14 apples, which I want to have, and I'm going to record that in my totals. Now the question is, how many oranges do I need to match up with these 14 apples? So let's start adding sets of 6 oranges. I add one set of 6 oranges. I have 8 apples here, and I will have 6, 12, 18, 24 oranges. So 8 apples matches 24 oranges. I match up another set of apples and oranges. I have 2 apples here. I match it up with another set of 6 oranges. So now on the left, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 apples right there. And that's going to match up with 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 oranges. So 10 apples match 30 oranges. Again, I'm going to add another set of 6 oranges to match up with this set of 2 apples. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 apples right here. That's my total number of apples. And the question is, how many oranges do I have? I have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 oranges. And finally, I add in another set of 6 oranges to match my last set of 2 apples. Now I have all 14 apples as a total. And the question is, how many oranges do I have as a total? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. I have 42 oranges. So, If I want 14 apples and I'm giving out the apples and oranges, a set of 2 apples for a set of 6 oranges. If I have 14 apples, I need 42 oranges to match up with my 14 apples. And again, the reason for doing that is that I'm handing out the apples and oranges at a rate of 2 apples for every 6 oranges.